Welcome back. We'll learn about the remaining storage class. In the previous video, we learned about the auto and extern storage class. Today, we'll learn about the static, register, and mutable. So we'll begin with the register storage class. So the register storage class has the same functionality like that of auto variables. The only difference is that the compiler tries to store these variables in register of the microprocessor if a free space is available. The advantage is that faster access of variables is possible during runtime, and we cannot obtain the address of a register variable using the pointers. Next comes the mutable. So there is a requirement to modify one or more data members of class or structure through constant function, though we don't want to update the other members of the class or structure. So for this purpose, we use the mutable keyword. Next is the static. So this storage class has the property of preserving their value even after they are out of their scope, and they are initialized only once and exist until the termination of a program. No memory is allocated because they are not redeclared. Okay, now we learn about the static storage class. Okay. Dash include IO string, namespace, etc. Here I am declaring a function inside which we have a static variable I and initializing it to 0. Okay. Another regular variable which is 0. Okay. Now I'm going to do incrementation for both I and j. So now I'm going to print I and j. Okay. Now let me call this function inside the main function. So for our better understanding, I'm calling it 3 times. Okay. So let me write a COUT statement. Okay. Okay. So this is the third time we are calling the function. Okay. Now let me save. Storage 2.cpp. I'm now going to compile and execute it. Storage 2.cpp. H2. Yes. So we'll see the answers now. See, for the first time, it got incremented and the value is 1 and 1 for both the variables. For the second call, again the j has got initialized to 0, but the value for I, 1 has got maintained and it got incremented to 2. The third time of the function call, it has got incremented to 3 and again the j was reset to 0 and after incrementation, we have got the answer is 1 here for j also. So hope you are all clear with the static storage class. We'll meet you all in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.